sometimes you can feel to be alone, not around people. When you are alone, you can plan your things very well. So sometimes you have to take your time to be separate with those people and to be alone. It's very good, it's very healthy most of the time. You can do your things very well to have got a fresh air. To be alone most of the time, it's very good. When you saw those people, guys, there are some of the people, they want to be alone most of the time. Keep quiet, doesn't want anyone around them. Yes, they want space. And when you saw maybe it's your partner, give him space, give her space, because she feels she wants to be alone nowadays. Even in relationship, you can say, maybe in relationship, I want to be alone nowadays, I don't want to be around my partner. Yes, give that person a space most of the time. You know that when a person want to be alone, you can saw it that that person doesn't want you nowadays. Give them space, they want space to plan things in their lives. It's not about, guys, most of the time you are around people, around your friends every time. So guys, when you are alone, you can plan your things very well than you are around people most of the time. So you have to take your time, and you have got a fresh air. That's why you saw even white people, they want to be alone. When you saw those people, guys, they don't have that community of your friends, what. When you saw those white people, they don't have most of those things, because they are busy planning life every time.